established I don't look at it. Don't need to document it.
This is the SUV that she rented out. And we are about to drive to Buffalo, downtown. It's raining right now. Bro, look at that.
Say hi. That noise.
Oh my god, I love the holidays. Look at that, it's so cute in the back. Went on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Shit, this is pretty cute. It's pretty small, it's pretty cute. Girl, I'll take any side. So there's a blizzard happening. Oh, hello, right in. I don't know if it's gonna calm down. Well, at least I get breakfast. Update. It got worse. What the fuck? Hey guys, this is like the most late update ever. Obviously, we're stuck in the snow. Well, I'm not in the snow, but I'm stuck in this hotel. We had a really chill day yesterday, my best friend and I. I obviously didn't vlog anything because I wanted to spend time with her as well. Pretty much worked out together, and then we swam. Nothing too crazy. Travel bans are lifted tomorrow in Buffalo, and we're actually going to go to city near our hometown. But it is Christmas Day, so we're going to spend it with our family. Monday, given the roads are clear, I still have to hit a lift off my program. I have to hit SBD, go back home to Cleveland after that. Not the trip that we had planned, but it's kind of funny to me. Honestly, I'm not really mad about it. I always see the brighter things anyways when it comes to situations. So I just thought it was really interesting because I'm away from my family this year. How the holidays played out for me was just very interesting, but I am very happy and grateful for all of it. It looks so much better now though. Definitely be able to leave tomorrow. We're coming back here in the winter ever. Good morning. It is like 7:30 a.m. We are getting ready to leave. I got ready really quick. Doesn't take me long. We're gonna go to her parents' home for Christmas breakfast. Finally leaving Buffalo. So I wanna show you guys what it looks like outside. It looks so much better and my fit. No crazy wind. So she's gonna go clean off the car. Pretty much got ready. I'm layering so much. Like, it's ridiculous. I have leggings under this, if you can see. And it's kind of uncomfortable. So real. So this is what I'm wearing for today, my Christmas fit. Yeah. So I had to bring Shelby a shovel, but she doesn't need my help, so I'm going back to the hotel while I wait, I guess. It's honestly so beautiful. Like, when I come back during the summertime, it will be so nice. This would have been so great, but I can't wait for the summertime when I come back. It's gonna treat me very well. But here's Buffalo, New York. During the winter, it's calmed down a lot. This is gonna be absolutely beautiful looking. So I'm going back into the hotel. Yeah, I mean, they're working on the roads. That boy plowing. Shit going crazy. Damn. Hello, buddy. Oh, you were so cute.
Yeah.
Hello. Cute.
He was on a FedEx plane, a cargo plane that was crossing the ocean.
Hello. Wow. So good looking. Hello, Pagan.
Yes. I've been saying I need these at work.
Oh yeah.
Overalls. Like work. What are they called?
Coveralls.
Coveralls.
They're insulated. They're nice.
So
The
cute.
Carhartt brand is really nice.
Man, thanks, dude.
Think they're gonna fit?
It's a pretty cool background. At the second hotel, had breakfast, chilled with her family, opened gifts, and yeah, I'm drinking coffee. This is your update. Obviously didn't want to film with her family because I just met them and it's kind of rude. So I just filmed little snippets. Wow. Oh my God, look at the Christmas tree. are just so cozy. Hello? Yeah, you can have that one. Hey, it looks really nice at night.
Yeah. They do decorate the city.
Yep. I literally put on a flannel just so I can be matching with her wearing a flannel. Our fit is so similar. Wait, come stand in the mirror. We got the dark, we got the light. What kind of host is this? Anyways, we're gonna try and make pizza. Oh. We're gonna video this. But I don't want it to like, I'm vlogging, but I don't want it to, no offense, I don't want it to like zoom in too much on you. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I want it, it's supposed to be getting some pizza action, but it's not really actioning on this. Ooh. Are you just pulling out slices?
She bought it, not me.
Oh, okay. We'll do the slices.
I mean,
We're good.
It should melt.
We're good. I mean, it'll melt.
We're not picky. I am.
I'm just gonna do like 3 across each.
Good idea. Good idea.
I'm gonna be disappointed anyways. My life
Go to the store yourself.
Your life is. Wait, what? Where were you going with that, Dave?
Don't know.
This is what it's looking like. Throw it in.
Oh. Don't drop this.
Please don't drop it.
That'd be
Beautiful.
a waste.
Beauty. Cookies ever. This is our pizza.
Well.
I'm finally in bed. Holy shit. Honestly, it's been a really, really fun day. For being stuck in a blizzard to going to Jamestown and just spending it with her family. Then we went and saw her friend Dave. And so the side note with that is that her family was having pork. I don't really eat pork. His family is actually vegan, and I'm actually going back more towards plant-based. So went to Dave's family house, and his mother was absolutely lovely, and Dave was pretty cool. That was my first time meeting him. Made vegan cookies, and we made some flatbread. It was pretty good. Pretty good tent. Went back, had pecan pie, and now finally in a hotel room. I'm so over this trip at this point. I think I'm just chill and then grabbing breakfast tomorrow. I'm gonna head back to Cleveland. I'm excited. Honestly, pretty fun Christmas. I can't complain. So there's the haunted hotel and the lake. Not like I don't live pretty much on it too. Oh, wait, I'm so stupid. Wow, this is pretty cool. I am heading back to Cleveland now. Fun trip, not expected or planned, but it was fun. So, back home now. This little guy missed me. Thanks for watching.